Did you know that Ozempic could potentially be used to treat drug addiction? I just attended a thesis defense today from a girl in my PhD program that studied how Ozempic and other drugs like it can be used to reduce opioid drug use. So we know that Ozempic and other GLP-1 agonists are increasingly common treatments for obesity. This is because GLP-1 is a chemical that's made in your intestines and is released while you're eating to signal that you are full and to prevent overeating. It's estimated that 12% of Americans have taken Ozempic or similar drugs before, and 6% of Americans are currently taking it right now. And a lot of scientists and doctors are noticing that these drugs not only reduce your motivation to eat, but are also reducing the use of drugs like nicotine, alcohol, or opioids like fentanyl. And this is in part because Ozempic also affects your brain's dopamine reward system. So now there's an increasing amount of researchers looking into whether GLP-1 agonists can be used as a frontline treatment for substance use disorders. The PhD student who defended today, or should I say brand new doctor, she studies rats, designed a bunch of experiments where she let the rats have access to fentanyl and they would get it by pressing a lever. It's really cool. She ended up finding a specific group of brain cells that get activated by Ozempic because they have GLP-1 sensors. And when she turned these brain cells on without using any drugs, the animals were much less likely to relapse and use that fentanyl. And this is just the beginning. Bringing it back to humans, there are a few small studies that show GLP-1 agonists can reduce opioid use. Early evidence we have is pretty amazing. We're seeing about a 40% reduction in cravings. Of course, to use Ozempic and similar drugs to directly treat addiction will require a lot more research, specifically large-scale clinical trials to be extra sure that this is safe for people with substance use disorders. These trials are actually ongoing, so we can look forward to these results, hopefully pretty soon. All in all, it's pretty cool to see how Ozempic started off as a diabetes medication, and then now a weight loss drug, and suddenly having even more accidental benefits for society. Let me know what you think in the comments, and follow for more brain facts.